Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the mouse cursor always on screen while playing Apex Legends. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through Steam's setting. Now in here, click in-game and try to disable the Steam overlay while in-game. If you're using your EA to launch Apex, make sure that the disable overlay is also turned off. Right after, head over to Apex Legends. And simply from here, of course, you want to click on the gear icon, which allows us to browse through the game's setting. Now it's going to be at the top corner of your screen. Click setting, click video, and you want to make sure that you are basically using full screen. And then for the resolution, make sure that you are using your native resolution right here. And so basically that's going to be it. You also want to close background applications like Discord. Now, the reason why this happened is because there might be an application that allows your mouse to appear whatever you are doing on your computer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.